everyone, it's Amber here and welcome to another Stellar Guitarist guitar tutorial. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Stitches by Shawn Mendes. If you are a beginner guitarist, then this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. First off, you're going to need to have your guitar in standard tuning, and you're going to need to be placing a capo onto the first fret so that the song is in the same key as the original. Now we only need 4 chords for the song, and they're going to be repeated throughout the entire song. So the first chord that we need is an A minor. We then need a G major. Next up is a C major chord, and then a bar chord, an F major chord. But if this is way too difficult for you, then do not despair. We've got a much simpler, easy version, which I call Easy F, and it looks like this and sounds like this. Jumping straight into the verse, we need those same 4 chords in that order. So A minor to G, to C major, and to our easy F. Now you can very easily play this song with just down strums. I thought that I'd been hurt before, but no one's ever left me quite this sore. But in order for it to sound a bit more like the original, we're going to be adding a specific strumming pattern. So it's going to require us to play a bass note first on each chord, and then 4 up strums on the specific chord. So if we take the A minor, for example, we're going to be playing our bass note, which is our 5th string, and then we're going to do 4 up strums on the thinner, higher sounding strings. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. Our next chord is G major, so our bass note is going to be our 6th string, and then 4 up strums. Our 3rd chord is C major, so we're going to go back down to that 5th string and play that bass string once, and 4 up strums. Before moving to our F chord, which means we're going to be putting our pick on the 4th string as our bass note, and 4 up strums. If you're playing the F bar chord, then your bass string is going to be your 6th string. So if we put that together nice and slowly, starting on A minor, so we're going to play our bass string first, to G, our C, and F major 7. If we play it a little bit faster, awesome, you guys. Let's move on into the pre-chorus of the song. This is when we're going to be doing 2 strums on each chord. Now the chord sequence is easy F, to G, A minor, back to G again, F, G, A minor, and then 1 strum on the G. So if you think about it in an easy way, we're just slotting the G chord in between the F and A minor. So we'll have F, G, A minor, G, F, G, A minor, G. So if we add some singing, ready, and got a feeling that I'm going under, but I know that I'll make it out alive. Never quit calling you my lover, move on. With that 1 down strum on the G, which is going to lead us straight into the chorus. Now the chorus is where we're going to be amping it up a little bit with a strumming pattern. This is our very, very popular pop pattern. It sounds like this: down, down, up, down, And the chord sequence is A minor to G major, C major, and our F chord. If you've noticed, it's the same chord sequence that we used in the verse. So if we add the strumming pattern, a 1, 2, 3, 4. All that's left to do now is a mini playthrough, so grab your guitar and please join me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there you have it, everyone. That is how you play Stitches on the guitar. I really hope that you enjoyed today's tutorial. Please give me a thumbs up and like this video. Also, come and join the Stellar Guitarist community and hit that subscribe button. I post lessons on a weekly basis. I'd love for you to join our community so that you can become a better guitarist. I hope to see you in next week's tutorial. Have a wonderful day. Bye.